Guys, welcome back. Today we are going to look at how to solve for x in this uh, polynomial equation. We have x cubed plus x squared, which is equals to 12. So now let's get started. For solution, we have x squared, x cubed, then plus x squared, which is equals to 12, right? Then we have to subtract 12 both sides, in which it will be x cubed plus x squared. Then when you subtract 12 both sides, you are going to have minus 12, which is equals to 0. So now we have to break this 12 into 2. So we're going to say minus 12, it is equals to minus 8 minus 4. Because minus 8 minus 4, it is minus 12. Now let's substitute where there is minus 12 with the minus 8 minus 4. So we're going to say x cubed plus x squared, then minus 8 minus 4, which is equals to 0. And if you can see, these numbers have got the same different bases, so we're going to say 2 power 3, it is equals to 8, and 2 power 2, it is equals to 4. So we're going to substitute where there is 8 to be 2 power 3, and where there is 4 with the 2 power 2. So it will be x cubed plus x squared, then minus 2 cubed plus, oh, here there's minus 2 squared, which is equals to 0, right? Then if you can see, there are numbers which has got the same powers. So we have 2 cubed and x cubed. So we are going to group it into the same side. So we're going to say x cubed minus 2 cubed, then plus this x squared, then minus 2 squared, right? Then this x power 3 minus 2 power 3, we can denote it by using a cubed and b cubed, right? Let's say this one can be expressed as a minus b in the bracket, then a plus b in the bracket squared, right? This means if you expand this one, you are going to get these values which we're having here. So let's expand what is here. So we have a minus b, the bracket. When you expand this one, a plus b, a plus b, you are going to have, let's say, you're going a times a, which is a squared, plus a times b, which is ab, plus b times a, which is a b, plus b times b, which is b squared, right? Then a squared plus ab plus ab, it is 2ab plus b squared. And remember here we have a minus b as a term itself. So now let's substitute now where we have these values with here a we have x. So we have x minus 2, the bracket, then open bracket we have a squared, then here we have minus plus 2 2x plus when you square these two you are going to have 4, right? Then plus and plus we have plus here, and this one a squared minus b squared, it is equals to a minus b the bracket, then a plus b in the bracket. So we are going to take it like the way it is. So we are going to substitute here a, it is x. So we are going to say x minus 2, then x plus 2, right? Then here we can factor out x minus 2, it is common even here. So we are going to say uh, x minus 2 as its own term. Then open square bracket, then open bracket we have a Where there's a, we have x here. Here we have x squared, then plus 2x plus 4. Then here we have remain with x plus 2. So we have uh, plus x plus 2 in the bracket, then close square bracket, which is equals to 0. So we have to solve these terms separately. So we are going to say, we are going to equate each of these equation to be equals to 0. So we are going to say x minus 2 it will be equals to 0. So x it will be equals to 2. This is our first x. So now let's try to work out with what is in the bracket. So we are going to say here we have x squared, then 2x plus x it is plus 3x, then 4 plus 2 we have plus 6, which is equals to 0. And this is a quadratic equation, and we're going to solve it using a discriminant rule. So we're going to say this is our a, b, c. So we're going to use a discriminant rule, which is d equals b squared minus 4ac, right? Then b we have 3, which is 3 squared minus for a we have 1 here. Then for c we have 6, in which it will be 3 squared it is 9 minus 4 times 6, which is 24. Then 9 minus 24 it is minus 15. So we have found that this quadratic equation it has no root. So we are going to say x to be equals to minus b plus or minus square root of d, because we have already found this value, what is always found in the square root, divided by 2a, right? Then x it will be equals to, here we have minus, so here we have minus, here we have positive, so this one it is going to be minus 3 plus or minus square root of this one we can separate it as 15 multiplied by square root of minus 1 here, divided by 2, right? Then x it will be equals to, so we are going to get the first choice, which is minus 3 plus the square root of 15. Square root of negative 1 it is factorial, then over 2 times because a it is 1, so 2 times 1, which is 2. So we are going to have 2 here, then or x it will be equals to uh, x it will be equals to, here we have minus 3 minus the square root of 15 factorial, then divided by 2. So the values of x it will be x1 it will be equals to 2, x2 it will be equals to minus 3 plus the square root of 15 factorial divided by 2, and the x3 it will be equals to uh, minus 3 minus square root of 15 factorial divided by 2. This is how we find the value of x for this question here. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you may see the new update. The next video will be looking at other question for polynomial question. Thank you.